Hello everyone and welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. At Swiflearn, we try harder each day to transform millions of lives. So, if you want to regularly hear from us, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I am Charu and today I am going to be a teacher. I have brought for you a very interesting topic which is going to help you to build an impression on other people. Has it ever happened with you that you are at a party and you want to strike up a conversation but you don't have sufficient words? Don't you worry. I am going to give you some tips and tricks that are really going to help you in life and help you to give excellent and star self introductions. Now, you must be thinking, what is so difficult about introducing ourselves? It's just about saying your name, your age, and hobby. Well, no, it's actually not true. It's not only about talking your name, your age, and hobbies, it's more about getting into the details, being creative, and leaving an indelible impression on others. So, in this session, particularly, I am going to tell you about how to introduce yourselves in an informal setting, which means when you meet your relatives, when you meet a new neighbor, you are at a party, you have to make new friends and connections. How do you introduce yourself at that time? So let us dive into the lesson. Now, first, we have to understand what self introduction actually is. So, self introduction means who you are as a person. What are your interests? What do you do? And what do you want others to know about your personality? Which personality traits you should be telling your people around? So this is what is meant by self introduction. But the question is, why do I need to learn to introduce myself? Why we should do that? Because anywhere you go, anywhere, be it a party, be it an interview, be it a new classroom, be it a new tuition, right? Everywhere you have to introduce yourself. That is how you are going to break the ice. So let us learn, why do we actually need to introduce ourselves? So introduction, self introduction, it helps you create a strong positive impression on others. It also enables you to make new connections, and it also helps you to break the ice and sharpen your presentation skills. Now, here I'm going to talk about the power of 4S. Yes. So, what is this power of 4S? What do you understand by 4S here? So, I have brought for you an interesting method which you can actually use to nail your self introductions, and that is the power of 4S. So, let us understand what are these 4S of a stellar introduction. Number one is stand confidently. So, whenever you are introducing yourself, make sure that your back is not hunched. You stand tall and confident. Next is smile. So always wear your smile. It is going to win hearts. Okay. Third is you always shake hands. A confident handshake has the power to stir hearts. Okay. And then you have to say your name. But also when you are saying your name, you can add an adjective before your name to make it even more attractive to people. Now, what are some hacks for striking up a conversation, right? You should be the first person to strike a conversation. So let us learn how. Bonjour, I am Peter Parker from Spider-Man. Remember? So see, how is this boy introducing himself? He has used a greeting from different country. You have various greetings available. You can choose any greeting of your choice. It could be hola, it could be hello, it could be konnichiwa, it could be bonjour. It could be any greeting of your choice, and then you can start up your conversation. So let me tell you a few quick tips too that will come handy for you. Tip number one, start by choosing a greeting. As I told you, choose any greeting that is available to you. You can dive into the pool and take out any greeting of your choice and start your introduction by using it. Next is add your name by referring to someone renowned. Over here, this boy has made a reference to Spider-Man, right? So you can do the same. You can make a reference to any person. Hello, I am Ross. Remember Ross from Friends, right? That way you can do it. The next is you can talk about your native place and its speciality. Yes, this is my favorite way of building connection with others. You always talk about your native place, about its culture, about its speciality, right? You can do it that way. The next is always mention your likes and dislikes. So while talking about your likes and dislikes, you might find some things that are common, and then you can add on to the conversation by adding follow-up questions about those common things. Okay, next is add an exit phrase. So whenever you are ending the conversation, you cannot just abruptly end it, right? So you can say thank you, it was nice meeting you, same here, bye bye, see you next time. So you can add more exit phrases whenever you are ending your conversation. Next, now it's not only about speaking and introducing yourself. It has to be in the context. If you are at a party, you have to come up with something interesting, because it's the loud music playing, there are people, right? They are there for entertainment. So you cannot say, hi, I am Lizzie and I work at so and so MNC and I am a programmer or something like that. You cannot do that because you are at a party. So you should always start like this: hi, I'm Lizzie, a dancer, and that's why you are seeing me on the dance floor now. Now, whenever you are meeting a new friend, you can say, hola, I'm Lizzie, born and brought up in the city of lakes, Udaipur. Have you ever visited it? You can even ask questions that way, right? The next is, how do you behave? What do you say? How do you break the ice when you meet a new neighbor? So you can say, hi, I'm Lizzie, your new neighbor. I just moved here last Friday from California. So you can tell which place you have moved from. These are small little details, the meticulous details that are going to actually help you create a lasting impression. Last but not the least, when you are meeting relatives for the first time, so there you have a mix of formal and an informal relationship, right? So you can say, hello uncle and auntie, it's so good to see you. So whenever you are encountered with certain situations, you can actually come back to the slide and actually view what you can say in those situations and make an impression. All right, but now your words matter, but so do your actions, right? So for that, what do? So the first point is keep an open body language. Next, maintain an eye contact. Always remember, whenever you are talking, you always look directly into the eyes of the person so that you can engage that person in your conversations. Third is be very friendly and warm. Be really polite. Your body language speaks everything. If you fold your hands and talk, it shows that you are being a bit arrogant. So you use your hands, right? Move them. Use open palm gestures. It always helps, right? And in the end, this is actually a quick fix. You can always ask follow-up questions. Now over here, not only this, I have also brought some phrases that are going to come handy to you whenever you fall short of words. So these are the following questions you can actually ask. How are you? Where are you from? What are your likes and dislikes? And these are the phrases you can add. Nice to meet you. Oh, that's interesting. It's a pleasure to meet you. See you around. So these are a few questions and phrases that you can use in order to make your conversation going. So I hope you had fun today. That's it from my side. If you liked the session, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All right. And also you can add comments in the comment section and let us know how you liked the content and everything. And over here, even if you face more problems, don't you worry. You can always connect Swiflearn, where you get expert teachers who are going to guide you through your curriculum and transform you into a star introducer. So that's it from my end. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Remember to like, share and subscribe. See you around. Bye.